Midco Sales has a Landoll 455 traveling axle trailer in stock in Chandler, Arizona. This Landoll 455B is 53 feet long with a 55-ton hauling capacity. It has a 14-inch ground clearance and 37-inch loaded deck height. The top deck has a 20K winch. When the deck is tilted up, it creates a 6.5-degree load angle to the upper deck, perfect for low-clearance equipment like forklifts. It's a tri-axle trailer with aluminum wheels and tire inflation. Midco Sales is a Landoll trailer dealer. Check out our website and subscribe on YouTube to stay informed on all our inventory.